I think a lot of this Fed rate cut and coordinated action, etc., is priced in. And yesterday, while it seemed like a very large rally, you opened at 11,300, went down to 11,150, and then came back to 11,300, which from the lows looks like a large rally. But this is the sort of market that we are in now, where you will have downside and upside on the same day. So chances are two trends will play out. So if you have to buy, maybe buying around 11,250, 240 is the right place to buy. Intraday you are in some sort of a weak uptrend, but the daily downtrend continues. I don't think that is changing anytime soon. So you are in a flat to up style market, and that is where you have to be cautious. You just can't sell and sit thinking of the daily downtrend, and you just can't buy anywhere thinking that it's an intraday uptrend. So choppy markets like yesterday should continue, and that is what the view on the bank nifty is, that if you get closer to say 29,100, that is where you try to buy, and then you try to trade it up for intraday up moves. Narrow ranges, choppiness, and that's what you are looking for. See, it appears that despite all sorts of volatility, Pharma is showing some sort of upside. Now there seems to be some macro play regarding the raw material, etc., which I don't understand very well. But certain stocks like Sun Pharma and Cipla are at strong intermediate lows, and from there they have shown very strong bounce back. So if you had to buy Sun Pharma, it's getting to that longer term level from where you can buy. So this is a buy for the day with a stop around 388, target of 404. Cipla is a buy with a stop of 420 and look for targets of about 435. Tata Motors is a sell with a stop of 135, target of 120. JSW Steel is a sell with a stop of 252, target of 236. And Raymond is a sell with a stop of 505, target of 475.
See, I think I am getting two different messages from the market, not different in the sense contradictory, but underlying messages. The first is that with all the volatility and choppiness that we are now seeing, 11,100 is holding. That has been a support level earlier, and the idea was to see whether it holds. So far that number is holding, and the markets are going haywire and crazy, but the underlying message is that there is a support level which has not been broken till now. The second is that volatility is likely to come down. There is a difference between volatility and choppiness. Volatility implies large moves. They are random, but they are very large. And choppiness, of course, is small moves, and that's something acceptable. I think markets will be choppy, but if volatility comes down, then short-term trading comes into play. Large volatility means we can't trade also. So today we'll wait and watch. I think markets will be choppy but not volatile, and that enables us to start trading from tomorrow. Even today, if you have a dip, I would suggest that 11,100 is your stop, and you should look to buy the market if you get a dip. Well, it's a mixed list because markets could be choppy today. That's the anticipation. So I have two intraday shorts, Marico and PVR. Marico has been making new lows consistently, and PVR has already started a decline with large down bars yesterday and the day before. So two short selling ideas intraday and two buying ideas which you carry, Ambuja Cement and Tata Elxsi. Both have done well. Ambuja is now building a base on the verge of breaking out, and Tata Elxsi in any case has been making new highs. Both are buys.